Hey y'all know the Young Man Joe. Well, my name is Matt, and I have a channel here on YouTube, MB88, and my friend has one, John Wells 10123. Well, check us out and comment, rate, and subscribe. The reason we're doing this video on his channel is because he's made really mean comments to everybody. We're gonna stop that here by hacking his channel. And so if you get another mean comment from him, it's probably on a different account because us, we're going to stay on here. And I don't think there's a way for him to get it back. So what the thing is, he can go on his channel all he wants to, but he won't be able to comment. So just subscribe to all the channels. He can post stuff like, I'm going to kill you and all that. Well, not anymore, so see y'all.